Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bill. Today is October 7th. It's a Wednesday. We had ethanol production numbers out today. We're also going to go over WASDE expectations here for that report that's going to be released out at 11 o'clock Central Standard Time on Friday. But before we go into any of that, let's turn over to the grain hedge trading platform and see where we closed off the day. Corn trading down 3 1/4 cents on the December contract. Soybeans up 3 1/2 cents on the November contract. And wheat Chicago trading down 9 cents on the December contract, erasing some of those gains we saw earlier on in the week down to 5.17 1/4. Now let's talk a little bit about ethanol production. That came out today. Another nice increase in terms of weekly ethanol production, up 7,000 barrels per day to 950,000 barrels per day. What you'll notice is that that is better than the 4-year average. That's better than last year at this time. So another nice little demand feature here on the balance sheet. So this continues to show good production in the ethanol sector. When you look at stocks, we did increase as well, up 30,000 barrels to 18.81 million barrels this week. Now let's talk a little bit about those new crop ending stocks expectations. This is a Reuters poll of 20 analysts, and on average, analysts are expecting to see corn ending stocks at 1.534 billion bushels. That would be down from the September WASDE report when they were expecting 1.592 billion bushels. When you look at soybeans, of course, soybeans in the quarterly grain stocks numbers that we saw out at the very end of last month, we did see a surprise there. We saw fewer bushels carry out than what analysts were expecting. That's going to be reflected in this WASDE report. Analysts are expecting to see 414 million bushel carry out. That would be down from the September guess of 450 million bushels. And then wheat, analysts are expecting to see 819 million bushel carry out. That would be down from the September estimates of 875 million bushels. So that really is what the market is expecting to see ending stocks slightly smaller there than what was expected back in September. But we'll have to see if we get any deviation from that average guess. That could throw a little bit of a firecracker into the market. When you're looking at global ending stocks, analysts are also expecting to see a decline for corn, soybeans, and also for wheat. Analysts are expecting to see world or global carryout of 188.73 million metric tons of corn. That would be down from the September guess or the September estimate in their WASDE report of 189.69 million metric tons. For soybeans, analysts are expecting to see 84.41 million metric tons. That would be down from the 84.98 million metric tons global carryout there that we saw back in September. And then for wheat, analysts are expecting to see almost a 2 million metric ton decline there from September to the October WASDE report. Analysts expecting to see 224.76 million metric tons. Also out tomorrow will be export sales. Last week we had decent export sales there for soybeans. We'll have to see if we get another good week here. Analysts are expecting to see 550 to 750,000 metric tons of corn. Analysts are expecting to see 700 to 1.2 million metric tons of soybeans and wheat. Analysts not expecting to see a whole lot of sales here, with guesses ranging from 175,000 metric tons to 375,000 metric tons. Guys, that wraps up today's show. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, please give the office a call. The number is 877-472-4607. And remember, if you want to have a demo of that live trading platform, see what it's like to have live quotes in the palm of your hand when you're out in the combine harvesting this fall, go to grainhedge.com, click on the 14-day free trial there in the top right-hand corner. Put in your name and number. We'll make sure you get the credentials. We'll make sure you get the download. Not only that, but the education that you need, and then you can always reach out to us. In fact, we'd be happy to give you a one-on-one personalized walkthrough to make sure you understand how you can utilize this platform in your own marketing strategy. Guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here Thursday for the Export Sales Report.